How to fix Gmail not receiving emails issues on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Gmail not receiving emails issues on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. When Gmail on your Android device stops receiving emails, it can be frustrating, especially if you are waiting for important messages. Several factors could be causing the issues, ranging from syncing problems to connectivity issues. The first step that helps you to fix this kind of issue is checking your internet connection. Before diving into more advanced troubleshooting, ensure that your internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. A poor or disconnected network could be the reason Gmail isn't receiving the emails. If your Wi-Fi doesn't work well, you can switch to mobile data. Once you do that, you need to check whether your issue is resolved or not. The second step to follow is checking the Gmail sync settings. For that, open Gmail application on your device. Make sure to log into the particular account where you are facing the issue. Tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. Scroll down. Select the settings option and then select your Gmail account. Then you will access to the settings page of your Gmail where you have to ensure that sync Gmail is checked. If sync is disabled, Gmail will not refresh to full or pull in new emails. Once you do that, you need to simply come back from the section and then manually refresh your Gmail. Simply swipe down from top of your inbox to trigger a manual refresh. Once you do that, you need to follow the next step if your issue has not been yet resolved. The fourth step you need to do is simply you need to clear Gmail cache and data. Tap and hold Gmail app and the I button. Scroll down, tap storage uses and tap clear cache. Once you do that, you will fix the different issues related to your Gmail. And lastly, you can update the Gmail application. Go to Play Store or App Store. Tap search icon at bottom right corner and the search bar at top. Type in Gmail. And if there is any updates, tap update button and update it to the latest version. Once you follow all these steps, your issue of Gmail or emails not receiving will be fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.